Hey guys, OzGrillis here with a video on how to capture your Xbox display without using a capture card, which will enable you to stream with OBS software. So as we have here, my Streamlabs already set up, ready to go. The display capture's down there already just so you can see what I'm doing on the screen. But what we want to do to start is we'll go to sources and then we'll go to add a new source. So what we want there, we've got display capture. So click on that. You can do it for a primary monitor or a secondary monitor, depending on if you have one or two. I'll show you how to do it with one. Add source. Alright, so I'll just name it display capture, as I have. You can name it whatever you want. No issue there at all. Just go to add new source. It'll come up capture cursor. I'll add it anyway. So it has your display here, and it'll have if you want to capture the cursor or not. That is up to you. And hit done. So then what will happen is it'll come up the top here, display capture. You want to drag that right down to the bottom. I'll turn my other one off now actually. So you want to just take this, drag it right down to the bottom, and then your overlays are back. That way your overlays will still show over your display capture, otherwise no point in having them really. So what you have there, usually I have a webcam here, but it's not going to happen. Alright, so we're set up in that way. Now what you want to do is you go down to your Xbox app, the companion app, which you will need. You'll also need Windows 10 to get the app. So we hit on that. Taking a while, sorry. That's annoying. Alright, so we've got the Xbox One here that I'm going to be streaming from. All you need to do is just hit stream. Continue, off to the side, bang, you have it. So your overlays and stuff will be on the top of your screen. Still, if you have a webcam, you can display it on top as well. Mine will usually be on top, not at the moment, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to use the camera off screen. So what you want to do is then go back to your Streamlabs, hit go live, and then just bang, straight back into it, bang, you're in. Changing the scenes, we will have to do it by hitting your Windows button and going back into it and changing your screens, etc. So that's the only downside to it really, but if you're going to stay on the live screen most of the time, it's not too big of an issue. Also, if you had a stream deck, you could change it that way as well, which would work. So yeah, so what you want to do, yeah, so you've got it there all set up, ready to go. And that's how you do it. Yeah, apologize for the video not being very clear. It's my first how-to video. I'm going to start making more of how to use Streamlabs. It's quite a simple way how to do it. I'm on Twitch as well, twitch.tv/OzGrillis, which will have the description down the bottom if you wanted to come watch. I mainly do PUBG, Rocket League, Apex Legends, Rainbow Six Siege, etc. Yeah, but feel free to give this video a like and a sub if it works for you. If not, any questions you can give me in the comments. If you want me to do a video on something else that you need to know, just let me know in the comments as well. But yeah, thank you very much for stopping by. Hope it worked.